Namaskar. Myself Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. Today I am going to present weekly weather review for last 1 week and outlook next 2 weeks. As we know, this is the pre-monsoon season, and here the most significant features for the temperature and as well as thunderstorm activities also prevail over the country. The same reason, same duration. And the most significant features last week was actively weather over the northeast states of country, and the second half of week experience heat wave to severe heat wave over the most part of the country. Now I am going to present the presentation. The next slide. Here in this slide we are discussing about the weather system for last 1 week. Here in this picture we can see the WD. 2 WD continuously passes from the western Himalayan region, causes isolated to scattered rainfall with light thunderstorm experience over the western Himalayan region. And the major significant event was over the northeast state of the country due to the moisture wind from the Bay of Bengal and the remnant of the WD. Experience moderate rainfall with thunderstorm, hailstorm and gusty winds. And the other activities also, there are southern peninsula also have experienced isolated rainfall due to the wind convergence or wind discontinuity over the southern peninsula. Now the next, and one major event also there, the as pre-monsoon season is the favorable condition for the cyclone or low pressure area. We get experience first low pressure area over the season for this season over the Andaman Sea, which is as prevailing 2 days become well marked low over the same region, but very low probability it become depression during next 24 hours, and it will move towards Myanmar coast, which will not affected to the Indian region. Now the next slide. Here in this slide we are talking about the observed rainfall and cloud pattern. Here in this picture we clearly shows from the satellite animation how much cloud is moved. As WD western disturbance cloud towards move to westward, and here we can see the cloud patches over the Bay of Bengal. It shows the concentration of the cloud low pressure area, and this is the observed rainfall. And here we can see the 25th to the 31st mostly moderate to light rainfall occur over the northeast India, northern western Himalayan region and the southern peninsula. And on 38th we also experience isolated heavy rainfall over the Kerala. Next slide. And in this slide we are talking about the weekly and cumulative rainfall. In this season, with pre-monsoon season, we saw the deficit of the rainfall over the country during continuously 4 weeks. Here in this figure we saw the country as a whole minus 45% departure from the normal, and in this week we see 59% in the last week. Now this is the observed temperature during the past week. Here in this figure, as pre-monsoon season we are thinking about the maximum temperature. What will go in this figure, we can see this patches also shows the mostly northern plains of country and some east coast has experienced more 3 to 5 degree centigrade, 3 to 5 degree centigrade departure from the temperature. Now this is the 2-day synoptic feature condition. Here I already told today is the low pressure area was over the southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea. Today is intensifying as a well marked low pressure area over central parts of Andaman Sea. And the 1 WD is over there at mid-tropospheric westerlies around 85 to the north of 25, which is causes continue to rainfall over the northeast state. Here now we discussing about the weather warning for the next 5 days. This is the pictorial format. It shows very clearly that heat wave is prevailing over the Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu or Saurashtra during next 2 days. As we experienced last 4-5 days continuously heat wave to severe heat wave observed over the northwest plains of India, but it will abate today due to the strong wind over the plains over Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana or UP. And here we saw also some activities as thunderstorm or lightning or heavy rainfall over northeast India during next 2-3 days, and thereafter a fresh WD will affect from 4th night to the western Himalayan region during next 3-4 days, as well as it also affect north. Our plains also isolated rainfall is occurred due to the fresh western disturbance. Now, next point. Here we can see the global model forecast for 7 days. Our GFS, IMD GFS own model shows also very low, no possibility for cyclogenesis any system during next 7 days. Here now we come for the outlook during next 2 weeks. Here we see forecast rainfall. In this first picture we shows that WD, due to WD first week we can experience some light isolated rainfall over the western Himalayan region and some highly actively over the northeast state due to the winds from Bay of Bengal. And here is also saying some positive anomaly which shows the rainfall will occur. And some activity also here due to the low pressure and well marked low pressure, we can directly see over the Andaman Island is some activity will happen. And secondly we saw due to the less probability of WD, no fresh WD will come, so this is shows deficiency of the rainfall. But northeast state is continuing to get high good rainfall, and as well as in second week also we see the Kerala also get some activity here. Now this is the important aspect for this season, the maximum temperature. What temperature will happen, heat wave will happen or not happen. Here we can see in the week 1 mostly central India or some parts of northern India is experience less temperature, but some pockets as Odisha as well as Saurashtra and South Rajasthan will experience heat wave to severe heat wave at isolated places. Same as well as in second week we saw the temperature will rise gradually and the more part will cover for covering heat waves. Here in this slide we can clearly show the what we discussed earlier. Due to the well marked low pressure area, the widespread to fairly widespread rainfall will occur over Andaman Nicobar Island during next 2 days with possibility of isolated heavy rainfall, or later on 3 days isolated to scattered rainfall will happen thereafter. And due to this squally weather also wind also prevail over the region 45 to 55 with gusty to 65 during next 48 hours. And another sizer over South Assam and trough which cause scattered to widespread rainfall over the northeastern state during next 3-4 days. And the fresh WD which will affect to western Himalayan region and as well as some parts of northwest India as Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh, which will be experienced isolated to scattered rainfall over, and isolated thunderstorm lightning activity also will occur over western Himalayan region during the same period. For week 1 temperature forecast we see due to the prevailing of northwesterly wind and some we expected from tomorrow thunderstorm lightning activity over the east India, so though the temperature will reduce during next 2-3 days, but some isolated pocket very likely over Gujarat, southwest Rajasthan and Vidarbha, South Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu will experience heat wave. And for the week 2 rainfall forecast, due to the lower southwesterly wind, the activity will continue over the northeastern state of the country, and due to the some trough or wind continuity over the southern peninsula, isolated activity also will over the Kerala, Tamil Nadu. And now for the temperature forecast for week 2, we can see due to the gradual rise temperature, the temperature gradually rise over the northern parts of the country and along east coast. Normal to abnormal maximum temperature likely along east coast, including Odisha, northern parts of the Saurashtra and Kutch. And there is a moderate probability to the getting heat wave at the isolated pockets over Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Saurashtra, Kutch and South Rajasthan. And due to the prevailing heat wave or due to the high humidity over the CAP and Tamil Nadu, which causes more effect over the vulnerable people as children and elderly peoples. So to advise to public of this region should avoid heat exposure, wear light weighted, light colored cotton clothes and cover the head by use of cloth, hat or umbrella. For more information, please visit our site and the other latest warning update from our apps as Android app, Mosam app, Damini app, Meteorology, Meghdut app, and as well as you can follow our as social site as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Thank you.